That's right, Evil Ted Cos-Molds at your nearest Michael's craft stores. I'm going to tell you all about it right here on the Evil Ted channel. I am happy to announce the release of Evil Ted's Cos-Molds at Michael's. I created these molds so you can easily add detail to your costumes and props. And with these molds you can use foam clay, liquid sclupey, or even casting resin. I made 8 different designs for you to choose from. Cybertech, Tech Boltz, Tech Gears, Dragons, Steampunk, Hero Filigree, Villain Filigree, Skulls. On the Dragon mold, if you choose to use liquid sclupey or casting resin, you can level the mold out easily by using aluminum foil. Now with your cast pieces, you can add them to your foam armor, turning them into steampunk armor, fantasy armor, or cyberpunk armor. You'll be able to get these molds at your local Michael's craft stores, and if they're not on the shelves, don't panic, you'll have them available online as well. I want to take this time out to shout out to my dear friends, 2 fellow makers, Chad Hoku Props for helping me with the gears, and also a big shout out for Jake, aka Shepherd Creations. If it was not for his involvement, these molds would not even exist, especially the dragon, the skulls, the filigree. We had such a great time working together. We're going to collaborate on future projects, combining 3D printing and foam fabricating. Wait, hold on. That's a whole nother video. Everybody, please leave comments below. If you do something with the molds, please tag me in social media. I want to see everything you guys do. And also comment on what you would like to see in future molds. If these sell well, I would like to make more. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.